So hello and welcome back again to this particular topic which is related to code generation in Simulink. So why we are using this particular code generations? So this will show you how your Simulink models can be converted into a real world code. Okay, real codes. So we can use directly in the automotive ECU or a microcontroller. So what is code generation in Simulink? So code generation means converting your Simulink block and models into C or C++ code and ready to run in the embedded coder. So this is done by using a Simulink coder or embedded coder. So what are the benefits? Like you can produce, you can production, you'll get some production ready and safe codes. Okay, and less chance of mistakes since manual coding is reduced. Another thing is like your models work easily with automotive tools and machines. So what are the code generation tools? So here you can see some code generation tools are there. Simulink coder, it will makes the general C code for your model. Embedded coder, which gives you the optimized ready to use code with input output settings. Then after code mapping editor, which helps you to set up data link and interface detail. And then after target support package, so let's you use special hardware settings like for certain chips from NXP or T1. Okay, so we will see what are the steps. So for generating your code generation, so directly you can go to your modeling model setting and code generation tab. Okay, so from here you can click on this particular gear icon and you do some settings. Then after in your Simulink window you have to do press the control B. So here I have written the steps also, you can follow this particular steps. Okay, so we will see this particular example in the Simulink also. So after learning how to generate the code from Simulink models, so there are some code generation setting is there, like configuration parameter we need to set. Okay, so this is the important setting you must check before starting your this code generation process. Okay, so what are the configuration settings? So basically we need to set a system target file. Okay, this we will see just after this video in our uh, Simulink window. Okay, so system target file, this will set this to ert.tlc if you are using embedded coder, and this tell the Simulink what type of code to make. Then after hardware implementation, so hardware implementation, it will select your processor type like 32-bit with ARM, Cortex, or so, or codes uses to the right instruction. Okay, another thing is like storage class. So choose how your signals and parameters are stored in the code. Okay, for example, exported global or imported external. Now inline parameters, so this will put the certain values right in the code for maximum speed and smaller size. Code interface, so it will set how your code will call functions like using a real-time operating system RTOS style or a simple main loop. Okay, so this is the code generation output. So after building your Simulink, it will give you some output file. Okay, so .c and .h, this is your C and .h file, it is your header file which is .c and .h. Okay, files with all your logical and interfaces code. Another thing is ert main.c. So this is file that shows how the main loop works. Then after AutoSAR AR XML files, if AutoSAR is on, then it will give you this particular file. Then detailed HTML report for documentations. Then ready to flash executable files. Okay, .elf, .hex or loading into your ECU. So now we will see one small example for this particular uh, code generation. So I'm using same battery model for this code generation. Just I remove the signal builder from here and name change to battery SOC CG. Okay. Also test harness is deleted from here. Now what I will do, I will go to this fixed step size, go to setting configuration parameter, and here just come to code generation. So here system target file we need to define. So just click on this, and if you want embedded coder you can select ert.tlc, or else if you have working on some AutoSAR then you can select this AutoSAR file. Okay, so apply. Okay, now with the base settings, okay, we will proceed to the another steps. No need to change anything. Okay, now optimization. So here also no need to update anything. Report, so create code generation report, open the report automatically, and if you want a model web view then select. Okay, now next we will go to report and apply. Okay, that's all. Now here just click on Control B. So now here you can see this is your generated code in a HTML file. Here ert main.c is also present. Battery soc cg.c file is also available. .h file is also present. Okay, so you can use this file for your like for ECU development. Okay, or in any microcontroller also. So this is one example of embedded coder, and here also you will find codes. Okay, directly you can copy and add in your path where you want to add. Okay, you can see easily. So thank you for watching this particular class related to code generation and simulation.